Now let me explain to you how to fix this error carefully. When it says no, you can still access your account or something else, as you can see here. If something goes wrong, please try again in 24 hours, okay? Now let's carefully check your phone settings here. First, please wait a little while before proceeding further. This error usually occurs due to an excessive number of login attempts, as you can see. Due to the excessive number of login attempts, it suspects unusual activity, as you see. Due to VPN or proxy usage, it temporarily blocks the CAPTCHA servers, as you can see. Sometimes, as you can see, just waiting really helps a lot. If you're short on time, consider switching your internet connection, as you see. Try a different Wi-Fi network or switch to mobile data for better connectivity. If that still doesn't work, as you can see, try disabling your VPN or even a proxy connection, as you can see here, carefully. Using a VPN can often lead to login blocks, as you can see here, carefully. So please try disabling your VPN connection, as you can see. That's all for now, as you see. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.